Good morning, caterpillars. How are you today? So I have this picture down here. What are these? Does anybody know what these are? What kind of flowers are these? These are bluebonnets. That is the Texas state flower. Pretty soon you guys will see these popping up in ditches along the highways and the street. Aren't they beautiful? Those again are called bluebonnets. Our month is March. All right, let's find out what day it is today. Yesterday was the 2nd. What comes after number 2? 1, 2, 3. It is the 3rd today. Number 3. Today is Wednesday. There is that word is, I-S. It is Wednesday today. Let's do our pattern. Butterfly, butterfly, bluebird, and then tomorrow will also be a bluebird. A-A-B-B. Oh, what's the weather like where you are? Can you tell me? Today is Wednesday. There's that word is again. The weather, there's the weather is sunny. Today you will draw and write something that starts with the letter, what letter is this? D. I will highlight it so you remember. I'm going to remember that letter D. 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 Let's say our letters, okay? See if you guys can beat me. J, Z, F, D, Y, T, R, N, S, I, Q, L, O, E, K, G, A, H, M, C, U, W, V, P, B. Good work, guys. And what letter is this? X. Good. We say usually the ending sound in X. Box. There's that ending sound, that X sound you hear in the end of box, fox. They have the same ending sound. They end in the letter X. Close those eyes. Tell me what letters are hidden. Good job. This one is it comes after B. C. Good work. What letter comes after K but before M? I, J, K, L. Oh, good. L. What letter comes after Q but before S? L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. What sound does R make? Good job today. All right, let's look at these. What comes after E? D, E, F. Good job. It is an F. And what letter comes? Ooh, there's 2 of them missing here. What comes before N and after Q? Q, L, M, N. Ooh, L, M, N. So what would it be? M. Good. It would be an M. M, N, O, P, Q, R. There's that R again. He wants to hide today, doesn't he? What numbers are missing? We have a 4, 5, 6. Good job. 7. Draw 7. Choo, choo. Say 7, Kevin. What number is missing? It comes after 9. 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And our last one, we have a 9, 10, 11. What number comes after 11? 12. Good job. There is our number 12. And there was our number we learned yesterday. What number comes after 12? 13. Look at that 13. A 1 and a 3. All right, so let's look at our sight words real quick. Say at. At. T-H-E. This word says the. This word is S-E-E. See. This word is I-S, is. And this word is like, L-I-K-E, like. So the, see, like, is, at. I'm going to copy this word real quick because I'm going to give you a new word today. We are going to read a little sentence, and in this sentence is going to be this word, I-N, in. Can you say in? I-N, in. All right, let's look at our sentence. We know this word. What word is that? The. Ooh, this one is a little bit bigger. Let's try to sound it out to try to figure out what word this was. At. At. Cat. There's that new word, in. I'm going to put that one yellow. Highlight it yellow. The cat in. T-H-E. What's that? Good. It is the. The cat in the. Ooh, let's look at this word down here. At. Hat. All right, let's read it together. Ready? Get a silly voice. Say the cat in the hat. Good job. The cat and the hat. Miss Cochran is looking for a middle sound. That's the sound in the middle. All right, I want to match the same sound as this. This is Sam. Say hi, Sam. That's Sam I am. We love that Sam I am, don't we? All right, so I have to match the same middle sound as Sam. So let's figure out that middle sound for Sam. Sam. Ooh, what is that up there? An A. Good. A says ah. So up here, I'm looking for that ah sound. Let's see. I have things. I have thing. Ing. Ing. I. Is that the same? Ah. I. Nope. Don't want that one. I have a fox. This is fox and socks. So let's do fox. Ox. Ox. Do they have the same middle sound? Aw. Ah. No, was not that one. Let's see if it's this one. Maybe it's none of them. Cat. At. At. And I have Sam. 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 Do they have the same middle sound? Cat and Sam have the same middle sound. They both have an A. Good job today. Well, welcome. I have thing N. This is thing N and thing D. We're going to sort things by thing N and thing D. They want their objects back. And then afterwards, you guys will write me something that starts with the letter D. So pay attention to this one, but let's not forget that N, okay? I need my things back, they say. So where would I put this? What is that? It's a letter. Letter D. Good, I'll give them to him. What's this one? N. I'll put N up there. Donkey. Where would I put donkey? N says and D says d, d, d. Donkey. Good. I will put it with the D for d, d, donkey. Net. Is it a d, d, or is it a at the beginning? It is a Good. I'm going to hand him the net so he can catch his next object. Duck. Duck. Does it begin with the same sound as net or donkey? Duck. Duh, duh, duh. I heard it. All right, I have a nose. What do you guys hear at the beginning of nose? Nose. I heard a What makes that n sound? N. Good. N does. N makes that n sound like nose and net. Domino. Where would I put that domino? Good. Under the D. Why the D? What sound did you hear? D, d, d. Good. You heard the domino. You heard that d sound at the beginning. How about nachos? Where would I put nachos? Does it have the same sound as nose or donkey? Nachos and nose? Did you hear it? Nachos. Nose. They have the same beginning sound. Oh, he loves those nachos, doesn't he? And dinosaur. Where would I put dinosaur? Dinosaur. Good. I will put it here with the duck, donkey, dinosaur, and domino. All right, now it's your turn. Can you draw me something that begins with the letter D? D makes the sound D, D. Can you think of something else? D, D, door, donkey, dinosaur, dig, duck. Can you think of something else that begins with the D sound? All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow.